This is an example, just an informative showcase condition of FG Peru Dinero in mint state 63 graded by NGC. Dineros are one of the difficult set of decimal Peruvian seated miners to assemble in uncirculated and mint state condition. There are some great rarities as well. The age of the coin is readed with a thickness of 1.2 millimeters and been in standard circulation since year 1888 to 1916. It is made of silver at 0.900 fineness with diameter of 17.8 millimeters and weighing of 2.5 grams. The obverse pattern shows the coat of arms with the lettering of REPUB Peruana Lima 9D FINO FG and the year 1908. The reverse pattern depicts the seated Statute of Liberty with the Union Shield, Sun, and the Cap of Liberty, or the Phrygian Cap. It has a lettering of FIRME, Y FELIZ, Port La Union, UN. I should say, there are very limited literature and interest on these coins. I have some raw coins, but I am still waiting the opportunity to absorb more examples to continue a great deal of assembling these very beautiful small coins.
Don't forget to follow my Facebook page Filipinas Bullion as well as my Instagram and YouTube channel. Leave a comment, like, and don't forget to subscribe to keep you posted for new videos. Thank you for watching.